Today we are making millet salad. Take 2 cups of cooked millet. Now to this add 1 cup yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, some chopped cucumbers, boiled corns and some chopped coriander leaves. To this we have to add a salad dressing. Take lemon juice of approximately 1 lime. Then add half cup of olive oil to it. Then add 1 tablespoon of mustard sauce, some salt, some pepper and some minced garlic. Now close the jar and shake it very well. Now let's add this salad dressing to our chopped mixture and give it a good toss. Keep this refrigerated about 15 to 20 minutes before serving. Enjoy this salad cold either for lunch or for dinner. Enjoy!